I'm live with our fifth box of Sir. That's not Sir's one, Jonathan. It's the Cup 14-15. So box number 5. So we've got on top of our list here Domingo. Domingo is also last on this list. So live. So 30 teams. Yes, we do have 30 teams. So first, second, and third on top Buffalo. Last is the St. Louis Blues. Perfect. So Domingo, Buffalo, Gordon, New Jersey Devils, Dominic, Detroit, Jeff, Washington, Edward, Ottawa, Mathieu, Chicago, Jim, Toronto, Trevor, Montreal, Dominic, Rangers, Nicholas, Calgary, David, Islanders, Dan, Ellie, Todd, Pittsburgh, George, Boston, Greg, Arizona, Edward, Edmonton, Todd, Columbus, Edwin, Dallas, Chris, Garvin, San Jose, Carolina, Corey, Florida, Jim, Colorado, Jeremy, Vancouver Canucks, Trevor, Winnipeg, Paul, Nashville, Gordon, Anaheim, Reagan, Minnesota, Jeff, Tampa Bay, David, Flyers, and Domingo, St. Louis Blues. So that's for your teams. I hope you're happy with your teams. So it's not Pulse. Yeah. He's gonna. Sorry. So let me switch. Perfect. So let's do this. And good luck, everybody. This box. Forgot to do it yesterday. 80. So you guys are ready? Yeah. All right. Fireworks! What? Yeah! The top, please. Are you taking a peek at this for you?
Purple, man. For that nice.
You need a decoy?
No, I forgot. You forgot again, huh?
Give me one. Anyone there. Just breaks. Yeah. I want most of it.
Got two, huh?
Yeah, not too good. Next. So. Alright, so top. I see some gold. Alright, so we started with a base number to 249 for Nashville. Set at Forsberg. Flip Forsberg for Nashville up to 49. Base one. Wash your fingers. Next, what is what he has? Okay, that's funny because I don't even know who that guy is. Good. The Cup base set Ricky Opash out of 249, Liam O'Brien.
I don't even know what that is either. Well, we're gonna have to go into the checklist.
Liam O'Brien out of 249, Ricky Opash. The first time it happens. I don't know who's the guy.
Ooh, must be a short print.
It must be short. So we're gonna have a look at the checklist. Yep. Next. We've got Ricky Autopash out of 249. Calgary Flames. Josh Joris out of 249 for Calgary.
Liam O'Brien.
Next. What do we have next? Oh.
You know one.
Of course, gonna be one touch. We got a signature patch. Number 68 out of 99. Ricky. Tampa Bay Lightning. Jonathan. Drouin.
That's what I said.
Say it, Jean-François.
What?
Say it, Jonathan Drouin. Jonathan Drouin.
Jonathan Drouin.
Perfect. So Tampa Bay Drouin. Drouin. That's a nice one for Tampa Bay.
2-card patch, eh?
It is. Today's a nice box. Next, we got a Cup Foundation, 5 out of 15. Quad jersey autograph. Minnesota Wild, Jason Pominville. Can you believe it? Minnesota hit. So nice hit for Minnesota.
Well, who did I get a Christian Fallen rookie patch, Jonathan?
Who is he?
14-16. He was a patch. Yeah, he did have a patch.
Alright, so I'm going to take a one touch for the last one. It's a gold autograph. Gold autograph. Who are we going to have? Just going to wait. Alright, so Number 23 out of 25. Gold rookie autograph. It's a beautiful card. Florida Panthers. Aaron Eglund. So what a nice hit for the Florida Panthers.
What a nice overall case.
Up to date, yeah.
And there's still 1 box to go.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, Jonathan. Yeah.
Alright, so that was our single of the cup. I'll be posting more, don't worry.
Want some Skittles? No. Thanks, Rainbow. I hate the Rainbow.